Am I fixed now or am I cooked still? Okay, so now we're alive. Okay. It's an execution. It's fine. We're back. But what I was gonna say though, Hyperliquid, man. Shit, that was a big runner. That was a big runner. I'm looking to get back into Hyperliquid once it goes back down to a specific price point, or like 12, like being back to $15 would be an excellent price point. Right now, hell no, it's hella high. Find that shit right now, like, you know, shit, you know, fuck. Come on, man, push down, bro. Push, push and be. Is the color different? Yeah, the color's different. Oh my god, bro. Ain't that lag, bro? Get that bit back, boy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we back. Guess I fucked up a little bit. Oh. Oh, come on, put me. Spaghetti bowl, hands down. Best way to eat spaghetti. Your bitch ass up. Fucking. Nigga, that was me. Nigga, that was me. It's kind. Damn. Get back, guess it. Yo, just heard the chat. Look at this. Are you gonna see the what do you call it? Omar Nurmagomedov, Omar Nurma get Gomez. Fuck that guy name is. Omar Nurmagomedov versus Marab Devish. I don't know how to say his name, all right? But the comment was like, you can't bet, I can't bet against it Nurmagomedov. Whatever that thing is called. The name, like the Nurmagomedov, but that's what it's called, bro. What the fuck? The name of this? I don't know. It's crazy, man. The odds are crazy. The odds are stacked. The odds are stacked against my boy Marab, man. A douchebag. The next Conor McGregor. All right, Chad. Let's get ready. Let's get cooking here. Okay, so weekly. As of right now, I'm bullish. Weekly is CRT to the downside. Weekly IRL to ARL to the downside. We have a weekly SMT to the upside that's preventing for a sweep. So we're looking for a long here until the market goes up here. We have a daily here to the upside. We have another daily here to the upside. Market swooped out a daily range low. A market swooped out range low and swoop out the CRT low. Eventually, the next round is going to be CRT high right over here. And the what do you call it? Other one, which is this right over here, which is this is CRT high, this range high, as I'll take profit. We're looking for a near continuation. Monday made the low of the day, so I'm looking for it to continue to the upside. As well, what else do we have here? That's it. That's all we gotta need. That's all we need. Market 2 but the range low. We're going for all time from RL to ERL. And weekly time frame. Weekly. Daily. Daily. We're going from a daily Tuesday low of the week. And Wednesday and Thursday and Friday continue to move to the upside. So I want to say a continuation here. We can have that. That'll be fantastic. But yeah. But if this does get disrespected, I can't take a trade. So I want to see a rejection out of this low. If I can see a rejection out of this low, would be fantastic. Without the rejection here, I can't take a trade. This order block would get this CI this fuck this is called. The CRT will get disrespected. This CRT right over here will get disrespected, so I want to see rejection out of here. We have 2 minutes to the scanner closure. Let's see if we can get rejection out of here. If we don't get rejection, I'm done for the day. As simple as that. If I don't get a rejection out of here, out of that low, I'm done for the day. We have 2 minutes on the scanner closure. I'm done. Price came in pretty strong to the low. Yeah, bro. I want to be chilling here because I still have 2 minutes. If this low get disrespected, I'm not looking for no trade. Because this CRT, I can't use it. Because it's not a timed range. I don't use 9 a.m. as our time. I don't use 9 a.m. as a timed range, right? I use 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. as a timed range. This I can't use. Yeah, it's coming pretty strong here. It's coming pretty strong. Okay. As you can see, market did press out the previous day's high. Eventually, we could definitely see a lower getting pressure here. If this previous day's high gets respected, the next week I'm looking for sales then. If this previous day's high get respected, and market gets a order block here into the downside, I'm looking to sell next week. The downside, but you never know. I never know. You never know. Anybody never knows. We gotta look what the market gives us here. So let's see if we can get a rejection out of here to the upside to at least right over here before going down. Because this hourly low gets disrespected, I can't take it. Come on. Never mind. 43 seconds. Oh my god. It's not gonna reject out of here, man. Yeah. I'm done for the day then, bro. Okay, disrespecting my CRT, man. What the fuck? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done for the day, chat. Simple as that. This week was a no trade week. Done. I'm not taking this because this is not a Pacific time. This candle is not a Pacific time to take a trade, right? And my Pacific time is either 7 a.m. or the 8 a.m. candle. It's not one of those candles. I won't be taking it. Yikes. I can't take it, man. Actually, put that back. This is my market recap of 12/27 2024. Market recap. I was looking for a long. There's no trades taken, by the way. So I was looking for a long. Market really never gave me the entry. Market disrespected my CRT, so I can't take it, right? Because this CRT got disrespected, right? Because we got closure below it, right? So CRT was disrespected. We do have this other candle right over here, this 9 a.m. candle that could play the CRT, that could push the market price back up, but I can't take it because it's not a Pacific time, and the Pacific time has to be 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. I'm not taking a candle like this because this would be disrespected. If the market does want to go down here to this 4-hour low, I'll take it. If not, then I'm not, right? But this is not a Pacific time. It's not a time CRT, so I'm not gonna take it. The only one I'm caring about is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Anything else, I don't really give a shit about, right? So now let's go top down analysis. Why are we looking for longs here? Weekly IRL to ERL, weekly straight to the downside, but there was SMT with GU, Pacific, the SMT with GU right over here, you could see. SMT with GU did not purge it out, while EU, but GU purged it out, while the EU didn't, so this low is going to get prevented from getting purged, but later on, we're still going to go down here because a low resistance run on liquidity, a low resistance will happen, eventually market has to go to low resistance. We want a high resistance rather than low resistance, right? So that's why it led up 1-to-1 confluence of us going bullish in this case, right? Other than that, we had a weekly, we had a daily CRT to the upside, we had another daily CRT to the upside. We had a raised low that got total soup, and other than that, what we had was go to the 4-hour time frame. We had a London low of the day. We're looking for near to continue, right? So we had all built up all those narratives to the upside. So it's better for us to take a look for a long entry here. Other than that, what else do we had here was we had this CRT that was looking for it getting respected. Eventually, it did not get respected, unfortunately, because market closed below it, and there was no entries inside that fair value gap. So I consider 955. There was no entry. I'm not going to be using this as a CRT because it's not a Pacific time range. In the Pacific time range for the New Year continuation, there has to be a Pacific time. It has to be a 7 a.m. candle or 8 a.m. candle, right? It cannot be nine times. And this right here is a logical time to trade it, right? Because this was the Pacific time, right? 1 a.m. Eventually you can use this 2 a.m., right? 3 a.m. was a candle to push up. But in this case, no, right? So I won't be taking any trades. I will just wait till next week. And yeah, next week should decide it. It looks like the market is not going to go and make the high of the week here. Looks like Monday is going to be the high of the week. Tuesday is going to be the low of the week, right? Eventually consolidation inside of it. So it's a mixed bias here. We have sells, we have buys. We have both of them today, right? Let's see. Monday made the high of the week. Tuesday made the low of the week, right? This could definitely go up here and make the high of the week, but what it's looking at right now, what I'm seeing right now, this specific at this point right now, I don't see it going hitting the new spot. I might say consolidation, eventually just chill off, right? To end off the weekly range. You can see right over here. This was like a weekly classic expansion week profile to the downside and to the upside. Tuesday making the low of the week, Monday making the high of the week, right? So an interesting week. Both of the bots were played out. Monday, I was looking for a bearishness, eventually bullish as well, right? So it was very confusing. So the only time I was looking for bullishness was Friday because I thought I did my bias wrong for the day because I'm saying there was CRT, there was narrative that upside raise low got total soup, right? We have built up all those narrative. So that's why I thought we had that, right? So very mixed match bias here. If this does not take out the high, it's very mixed match bias. You're gonna be confusing for the next week. But next week should have a clear bias because next week gonna be news, right? And as well as next week, what I'm heading to, what I'm looking like right now, it's probably gonna be bearish because this looks like to be a daily CRT. Yes, there's a CRT to the upside, but it goes against the higher time frame, right? Higher time frame, higher power, higher time frame is bearish, right? So this is why it has a mixed match bias. So we want to be really careful. So you want to de-risk, right? Today, instead of risking 500, I risked 125 because this was a mixed match bias. It was really hard for me to predict, to decide where do we want to go, right? Because there's up there, I have a narrative to the upside, I have a narrative to the downside, right? So yeah, very confusing, but It's not confusing. I'm not confused at all. I'm not confused at all, right? But the price action is kind of hard to read here, right? Because there's bullishness and bearishness, right? You can see hourly time frame. We had this 8 a.m. candle right over here. 8 a.m. candle was what? The CRT. You can see the 8 a.m. candle, 8 a.m. candle, the CRT. Eventually, what the market do? Boom. If I had my buyers bearish, I would have taken that trade right to the downside, right? You see, and as well as this other candle right over here, where the market purchased out this other hourly CRT right over here as well. The market purchased out this other hourly CRT. You could have used this as well as a downside, but that would have not been in my entry because that's not a legitimate high there. But yeah, a legitimate high entry would have been somewhere around on this candle, right? This candle would have been my way of entering this trade. That's a legitimate high right over here, right? So yeah, I was not going to regard take that trade as well because there's no legitimate high there. Because there's not a legitimate high of being a bullish bearish candle. So I would disregard that trade as well. But really mixed match bias. And yeah, I want to see how that goes. Today we might still have a big bullish candle to the upside, but yeah, let's see how the weekly range caps end. Today I was gonna just chill because today was really confusing to read, right? Because this week was a barely any news week, right? We only had employment claims. Employment claims did bring volume to the market, but not that much, right? Because market was still in this specific range. It did not get out of the range, right? So it was harder for the market to. It was harder for us to read the market and how the market will be moving, right? So yeah, this week looks like a classic expansion week to the downside, classic expansion week to the upside, right? Very confusing week. Gonna be chill off, right? That's why today I rigged the week to 125 instead of 500, right? If I was 500, it would have been a dump because I have a mismatch bias and the price is not that good. So it's better for me to have a risk off, right? So not to risk too much, still risk, but not as much, right? Where it won't affect my emotion as well as risking 500, right? Like just losing. Would you rather lose 125 or 500, right? It makes it makes sense, right? For you to lose 125 rather than 500, right? Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you later. Haha, bro. It was nice, man. I see you have a great news that you put out. Does it make sense for it to come back to London buys again? Salam, bro. Salam, everyone. What's good, my boy? Tahir Mustafa. Walaikum assalam. My boy, Will X. Will it make sense for the market to go back to London buys? Nah, bro. It should not going back down there. It should either do two things, right? It should either consolidate or just chill off, right? Because going all down here is unrealistic because daily profile is a high probability concept, right? Daily, as you know, daily profile is really powerful concept, right? So this low should not be purged out. It should not go down here back. I mean, this has to happen because this is Friday, right? Friday will do a what? Friday will do a retracement / reversal, right? And guess what Friday is doing here? Friday is doing reversal / retracement. Because daily profile, this right over here is a New York low of the day. I mean, London low of the day. So it would be hard for the market to go back all down here. You could definitely do it, right? Because nothing's 100% win rate here, right? But this could as well be as a Friday continuation to the downside, or it could be a Friday reversal, right? For the upside, it could be a Friday reversal to the downside, or it could be a Friday continuation to the downside, right? It's very mixed match, so it makes very sense for us to de-risk on this day. And even the sells here wouldn't make sense for me to take because there was no legitimate entry and there was literally no actual good narrative to this, right? What was my narrative? Barely anything. This previous spot was my only narrative that I had on this thing. I mean, I had way more narrative to this. I had a, bearish order flow, market profiles, right? Because it would have been a retracement expansion, right? What did I tell you guys, right? I said this would have been an expansion, retracement, expansion, but this reversal would not look like gonna happen. But let's see. Nothing is guaranteed. We're just gonna see how the market goes because all based on the probabilities. Market could definitely just go back up all the way from here, do a huge reversal back to the upside. We don't know, right? So yeah. As well, we have this hourly CRT to the downside as here. Market could definitely go down here. So yeah, it's gonna be a chill off day. That's why I said that today I might not, not even go live stream because it's gonna be a really interesting day. But yeah. Yeah, right there, man. This is why I de-risk. This is why I have rules where I risk on and I get off. This is why I have rules where in funded accounts, or I mean not funded accounts, and challenges when I do challenges, right? Even on challenges, this is how I have risks where I risk more on challenges as well. If I have a really good high probability setup, I'll risk 2.5% instead of 2%, right? But yeah, but usually always 2% because a higher probability trade is hard to be there, right? The higher probability trade has to be a bearish order flow. If I really want a high probability setup, it has to be a bearish order flow. A range high has to be souped because vice versa, right? Range high, range low has to be souped, right? It has to be bearish order flow. Range high has to be souped. We have to be in the premium region. We have to have all of this concept just on a downside, right? Alone. My initial plan was to your initial plan was to your initial plan was with London bonds to hold till 40-50, right? Say if I would not have taken off and still held to a bonds to make it to my TP, how would I have managed to trade better? Because right now my whole trade basically reversed. I would have held it. Partial, bro. Partial, right? Just simple as that, bro. Partial. Don't be greedy, bro. If you're, I know damn well you guys are greedy, bro. I know damn well you guys are greedy. Because it wouldn't make sense for you to hold it over here. You want to get some partials. I'm saying, you're like that. That's like being greedy. Yeah. You had way to take partial around here as well. You had this high to take partial out of. You had this high to take not this high, but this auto block to take partial out of, right? Yes, you will make less, but guess what? Would you rather risk that or risk going all the way back down to the downside, right? Which one would you have taken, right? So it would have not made sense for you to do that, right? Would you rather make money or make no money, or eventually even lose money, right? This is how you know you gotta back off and stay in the market, right? This is now I'm saying back off the market. Now I'm not putting no risk on the table, right? Because the market does go down here in the next couple of minutes. In the next, what time is it right now? The next 15 minutes, I could take a trade, but I mean, it could happen. I could still look for a long, potentially lose, but you never know. You got reversed on your 3RR with the 24 December 5 a.m. candle as well. Let me see what time frame with December 24th. To the upside or downside? To the upside or downside, my brother? You got reversed on a 3RR 24. Okay, 5 a.m. candle. Okay. You see, the time you traded was not a good time though, bro. You see, that time was at 5 a.m., right? So right on here, the 5 a.m. candle is not a good time to trade, right? Where you want to either the only time you want to be trading the 5 a.m. candle when you have a New York reversal profile, right? Without that, don't trade the 5 a.m. It's a really low probability candle. Yeah, there's to December 24th. Yep, I see it right over here. Which candle are you talking about? This right over here got reversed on this. Yeah, so it's going to be confusing for you to do that because it is not a high probability of a candle. If you would have taken this kind of right over here, if you would have taken that, if you would have just waited a little bit more, right? Just waited till next session because 5 a.m. is not a good time to trade, bro. 34 a.m. or 35 a.m. is a good time. If you have a 34, if you don't get a setup and you still have a plan to get into trade and your criteria is getting there, but you don't have your execution, you can trade till 5 a.m. Eventually, after 5 a.m., don't trade. Wait till 8 a.m. right? If you would have just waited till 8 a.m., you would have catch the trade right to the upside right over here. 8 a.m. Which one was it? 9 a.m., 8 a.m. 8 a.m. right over here. You would have caught that trade to the upside, right? So you would have been chilling, right? CRT low. You have this rejection block as your key level, right? Because yesterday I was meant to be bullish, right? So that's today's video. Today's video I'm gonna make is going to help you out as well because today's video gonna be a time before price video, right? Why time is important than price, right? You can see when you bought around here, it kind of reversed against you, right? Because it's not a good time. If you would have taken this 8 a.m. candle, a good time, you can see market eventually suited to the upside because you traded that wrong during the wrong time. Simple as that, brother. So all you gotta do is just fix that, and yeah. Cause you can see my rules. I could even show you my rules here, bro. Cause I have hella rules that I gotta read. None of them cannot be wrong. None of them cannot be broken because that would be like, oh, I'm not disciplined, right? So you gotta be strict with it, right? You can see I have so much rules I gotta read. And guess what? This is alone just to keep my 150K fundings. I'm already funded with 150K funding, right? I'm already funded with 150K, right? This much news, this much rules is just to keep that much amount of money so I don't skew it up, right? Because a lot of you guys will get funded, eventually skew it up because you're greedy, right? You don't follow your rules no more because, oh, I'm funded, not gonna make real money, right? Let me go make more money, right? So same thing with this, you can see a lot of rules here. But that's why it's important for you guys to set up specific rules for the Pacific time, for the Pacific everything. This is the 24th, brother. The 26th is today. 26th. Okay. No. This is 24th, bro. The 24th, Thursday. Am I fucking wrong? All right. Yeah, right. Wait, it was this one, right? I don't know what you're talking about. This is Tuesday 26th. Oh, that's wait, December. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong market, bro. This right over here is December. That's 26th, bro. I thought that was December 24th. Oh my goodness, bro. So this right over here is the 24th. Oh my god, bro. So now, okay, right over here. Now let's go fix it up. You took the trade on 5 a.m. Give me the Pacific time here. 5 a.m. right over here. You're looking for a long, you rest against you, but you still did you hate to take profit or not? Because look at this right over here, 5 a.m. December 24th, right over here, right? Tuesday. So 5 a.m., 5 a.m. candle. So you would have taken this long from this 5 a.m. CRT right here. So you're trying to, okay. I mean, it did hit your drawn liquidity. Why did you say reversed? Okay, so let's see to that 15 right over here. 15. Wow, that's a high price point, bro. 415. Or are you talking about 415 around here? Wait, are you talking about the 415 on that all the way over here? Oh my god. That's way too high, bro. Stop loss will as so at 138.51. 38.51. So did you round trip this? Did you round trip meaning like they did go up but you forgot to take profit or something like that? You put that right over there. Your take profit was at 138.51. You got taken out at 1250. Yeah, it would make sense for it to get stop loss here. Look at the market. You gotta look at the data here, right? You gotta look at the because your sell stop was kind of wide here. Oh my god, bro. Where did you enter? What candle did you enter, bro? This is such a high. I mean, it's such a high. It's such a wide stop loss. That candle over there, okay. Because it would have only made sense for you to go to right over here. Let me shoot it in Discord. Or you round trade. Okay. Let me see on Discord because that would make more sense for me to look at that. Because I right here just by chatting, I can't really get it correctly. So Taki salam bro, I would like to just on the salam bro, I would like to On the move to see my progress. Yes, sir, ski. And I was looking good, eh? Weekly auto flow, bearish, previous day highs taken, 4-hour candle price, 5 a.m. Candle high, rejection respect, 4-hour rejection block, and form CRT, CTR on the 5 a.m., 15-minute CRT present on the lower time frame on 6:14 a.m. Yes, sir, ski. Let me know in Discord so I could answer that question that can help you out, bro. Because I think your take profit is way too unrealistic, bro. You want to set up realistic take profit, and you want to set up a tight stop loss. My boy Will Lex, your stop loss is way too wide. Because right over here, all the way down here is kind of way too wide, bro. Eventually, market had regions to go down here, bro. Market had regions to go down to this low right over here. So regions to the low to go down there. That major round trip was this candle right over here, bro. This was a New York reversal profile 1, I think 2, I don't know. But then this day I was bearish, you were bullish. So let's see what type of let's see what's good here though. Let me know, brother. So in Discord, yes sir. Let me see. So you took I don't know how to see that. Okay, you took a stop loss over there. Yeah, your take profit was way too unrealistic, bro. Your stop loss is way too big, bro. Oh my god. Let me see what candle though. What candle you entered? 5 minute. That so you entered out the CISD, right? So let me see as well. Cause this day I was bearish because I don't trade London sessions, so I'm different from you, right? So let me explain, brother. Let me explain why it did not. Let me explain why you round trip a lot, right? Okay. So this is the 5 a.m. candle. Okay, right over here. You entered out of this 5-minute CISD, which would have been out of what candle? Which one? Would have been out of this one. But you could do. I don't know what's your entry, but see what's your entry. Okay, so you entered out of the CISD, right? So look, when you enter this trade, right, out of the CISD, you put your self stop too wide over here. Such a wide stop loss, bro. You're definitely gonna get this is the risk reward is way different. You're going all the way to the high over here to the 15, right? Or 15. That's a wide stop loss, bro. Like you could have just done this, right? You could have done this, go to put a wider stop loss. You could have like you can see how the market went back down here, but you would have not been stopped out because as you guys know, you have to cover spread, right? You have to cover spread, so you want to put your stop a little bit wider, right? So you want to put I think 5 ticks is better, right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? You saw top would have been right over there, right? Eventually now you would have stopped, definitely got stopped out, right? But your risk ratio would have definitely changed to a better risk ratio, and yeah, you would have definitely made money on this, right? Because your goal would have been here, eventually here, because this is a CRT here as well, right? But this is not a good time to trade, by the way. Look at the price action during this day. The price action is ass, right? Because during this specific time, this specific time is not a good time to trade, because right over here is where market likes to chill onto the next session, right? Because 5 a.m. leads to New York, right? So market wants to chill till 9 a.m. candle, right? If you would have done this, you would have catched 2.5. Yes, it's not that much, right? But still profits, right? Rather than taking that big trade and round tripping and eventually losing into a break-even trade, you could have just put a tighter stop loss, and you could have just done this, right? You could have made easy profit out of by doing this, right? Just going by 50% here, right? Right over here, that right here, you're not going to how can I say this? You're gonna be break even right over here, right when it hits taps. You don't even have to partial here, right? You can just break even. Okay, now market wants to go down. Okay, now you stop loss hit, but guess what? Now you learned that you're trading during the wrong time. The 5 a.m. candle is a really bad time right over here, bro. Trading during this specific time is worse than this here. You can see this candle was the one that pushed the price back down here. You can see. Let me show you right over here as well. This right over here, this candle, this 15-minute order block, was the one that sponsored the move to the downside, right, to the CRT low, which was here, right? Holy shoot. Now you can see now the RR is 5, or instead of me putting my stop loss like all over here, going for such a low stop loss, because you're basically swing trading, right? Which is, in that case, you don't want to be doing that, right? Because that's, unrealistic, because market, you're trading the lower time frames, right? You're not trading the higher time frames, so it's going to be harder for you. So all you got to do is put a tighter stop loss, and guess what? You're making a 6R, you're making the same RR as this, but more, right? So in this case, you're not hitting stop loss, you're not hitting break even, you're not round tripping, you're making profit, right? Because it made sense for the market to go down here, right? You can see it made sense for the market to reverse back down from here, because this would be considered as a New York reversal, right? You can see the market did not. The market went above the agency, right, and the agency low, and the agency low was protected. That means this could be a New York reversal. In your exchange, the price took the 5 a.m. candle high. Oh, really? Interesting. Okay. That's why I see the big ass dump here. Okay. That's good, my boy Tahir Mustafa. And you said you round trip that. Okay. That's 7 days. You took that trade during that Pacific time. Let me see, what day was it? That's 12. That's 27. Okay. And which was the right day? And you said would have round trade for London very hard. Okay. I mean, you would have not round trip for today, bro. Today would have not been a round tripping day, bro. You really think about it. Look at this, right? I don't know if you're seeing the stream, but let's just act like you are, right? You would have not round trip today, bro. Today would have been what? You would have been a little bit smarter, right? You would have been like, okay, I know I can't go all over here. Let me see your stop loss and your entry here. Okay, it's like just like that, just right over there, right? You would have been like, okay, now you like, cause this all over here is unrealistic from all the down here, right? You're not going to be predicting that easily. This might get hit. This will probably get hit, right? But you're trading a lower time frame, so you want to be more realistic to yourself instead of being a, trying thinking you will go there long. You'll probably go there long term, but short term there's gonna be setbacks, right? You can see, right, IRL to ERL, right? So it would have made sense for you to just hold it to right over here. Market's going from IRL to ERL. And guess what? You have this CRT here, right? But 15-minute time frame, you're looking for that purge, you're looking for that entry here, right? Since this is such a low, this is such a low freaking range, you wouldn't really care about this CRT range guy getting purged, so we would have just entered out this trade right over here, right? And you would have not round trade right here. This one would have made money, right? You would have put your stop loss couple ticks below it, like 1, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, right? Sometimes more, sometimes less, right? So it all depends on that specific time. Right over here. On this one, you would have made a 2.4% gain, right? So you're mad for you to go for a realistic take profit. Because if you think about it, right, what does a take profit mean? A take profit mean where the market will potentially reverse against you. So you take profit. So when the market does reverse against you, you're not losing nothing, right? So because you're trading in the 15-minute, 5-minute time frame, it's hard for you to catch moves for a long time frame, right? You can see your stop loss was very wide on this as well, right? You could just put out a tighter stop loss, and you would have been still chilling the same spot, right? Actually, no, you would have had the same stop loss as this, right? No, you would have the same stop loss as this, right? You would have the same stop loss as this, but your entry was kind of bigger. Your entry was kind of above, right? Because this is giving you more RR than the one the one I see in your phone, right? That's why it matters. So he said, I'm aiming for I'm aiming for high greedy, but trying to be strict, trust the process. Yes, but bro, greedy is a big problem, bro. Greedy is a big problem. Look, you can literally see if I was greedy, right, I would have bought random coins on my exchange, right? If I was greedy, right, this greediness could go in everything, right? It can go in my investing. But if I was greedy, right, let me show if I was greedy, what would happen to me, right? If I was greedy, let's go to the coin right over here. Coinbase, Magic Eden. If I was greedy, I want to go for a high price when I make money, I would have been the loss, right? Bingo, let's go to there. If I was greedy, I would have been a loss, right? Simple as that. I would have been a loss. But hyper U is the hyper liquid, right? This one I wasn't greedy. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get out 3% X because market, I think this one I did do my research and everything, but I was spending too much money, which I'm not supposed to be doing, because now like I was losing track of where my money is going, right? It's a funny story, but I was losing my track of where my money was going. So I was like, okay, let me make this money. Let me gather all my money together, so I don't freaking lose. I don't know where my money is going. So I keep in track where my money goes, right? So that's what I'm doing for the next year. My goal is to track all my money where it's going, right? So do a actual calculation, and be calculated, right? Rather than just doing this coin. I made it 3x on this. I made a couple thousand. I'm done, right? So okay, chill. Because I don't know where my money's going now, right? Because my money's going to 8 different accounts, right? So if I was greedy on this, yes, I would have made money. I would have made way more money on this, right? But on a 3x, I got out, right? So like I think I got a 7. I got out around like a 3x. I think $19. Eventually, I didn't care more money because I was being way too greedy on that as well. Yes, this could be going way higher to like $100. I don't care because I gotta fix my I gotta fix where money goes, right? So that's why I just got out, because I didn't want to be fucking it up, right? So yeah, don't be greedy, bro. Don't be greedy. Greedy is a really big problem, bro. You can see if I was greedy, I would have lost money on 2 exchanges. I would have lost money 2 in projects, right? So that's why it matters for you to go for realistic take profits. And the video, I have a video explaining that as well. I have a video explaining about take profit, why take profit matters so much. Right, let me show you guys why take profit matters so much, right? I don't know if you see in the chat here, but take profits matter so much. Guess what? This right over here was your drawn liquidity. So if you're buying CRT low, your drawn liquidity is CRT high, right? This was your drawn liquidity, right? So guess what the market do? Reverse out of that, right? And what did the market do? This was your drawn liquidity. After this, what did the market do? Reverse out of that, right? So going back to the upside. That's why it matters for you to set up realistic take profit, realistic, way of trading. Because would you rather take a 2.4% gain or a loss, right? Or a round trip? Round trip is a really big thing, bro. Would you rather take a 2% gain or a round trip or a loss or a break even? Right? You'll probably take a 2% gain, right? Because money is money, right? Yeah, simple as that, bro. My boy Tahir Mustafa, you cooking today, eh? I see it. But my boy Tahir Mustafa. Oh yeah, you do have a narrative to this. You do have a narrative and bias to this. Okay, I see. Yeah, you said it. We had a weekly order flow is bearish. Hey my boy, Tahir, bro. Don't focus on the weekly order flow. Focus on the 4-hour order flow, because weekly order flow is the higher time frame. You're not trading the higher time frame. You're a intraday trader, right? 3-day highs taken. That's very nice. 4-hour candle price. Total soup. That's very nice. I don't know if that actually happened for you. What pair is that? Okay, that happened to you. That to me did not happen. Okay, to me did not happen, but it happened to you. Okay. Interesting. 4-hour candle was high, was taken. Okay, respect of the 4-hour duration block. Okay, that's for the CRT. Okay. So respect of the 4-hour duration block and form on the 5 a.m. CRT. Okay, and make sure you don't pattern trade CRT. Make sure you always have a key level. Without a key level, do not trade it. By the way, keep that in mind. And without a specific time of the purge, don't worry. And yeah, 5-minute order block entry and profit taken to be at the 50% of the range. Use 1.2-hour profit taken at 4. Okay, that's very nice. I think he should take profit, right? He should take profit as well here. He should 50% gold. That's good. That's nice. Very nice. And by the way, the 15-minute CRT looks like to be disrespected, bro. The 15-minute CRT in this case were respected. This right here is respected. That right there, you showed me right there. The 15-minute CRT high were disrespected, right? So yeah. And make sure you're using that right time from alignment. Make sure you use everything correctly, brother. Don't get juked. Make sure you use everything correctly. Hey, looking good. Oh, okay. You did get purged. Okay. That's nice. I see it. Hey. That's good, bro. Progression, hey. You might go through some hard times, by the way, because if you use CRT like out of nowhere randomly, you're gonna have some hard times. So please keep in mind, brother, and don't pattern trade it. Check Discord for confirmation. Yes, sir. I see it. I see the rejection block right over there. I see everything here. Okay. Goodness, good shit. Nice. Hey. Word, why you take profit all the way down here, bro? Oh my god. Ooh. You're going for a unrealistic take profit, bro. But alright, chat, that's it for today, man. If you guys got any other questions, let me know. We can fix up some more problems right now if you guys want me to. But yeah. Just don't be greedy, man. Greedy is a really big problem. Look at this. Look what I said my rules, bro. It's just important for me, bro. Let me show y'all. You see right over here. I said, can I see it? Right over here, you can see it over there. It says, avoid greed at all costs. So at all costs, I have to avoid greed. You said that, inshallah, in 2025, it became profitable. Inshallah, brother. I watched all your videos and I'm really looking to be profitable in 2025. And bro, Tahir Mustafa, make sure you look at the free mastermind CRT bootcamp. That will help you out even more. And all I'm gonna say, Tahir Mustafa, please don't pattern trade it, bro. Don't pattern trade it at all. If you do get in time where the CRT is getting cooked left and right, let me know because we could talk about the trade you take. And yeah, put the rules in the Discord. Yeah, I got you, Chad. No worries, no worries. This is a psychology rule, and I got you, man. Let me go and get the picture of it real quick. Right over here. Oh, actually, I'll give you. Hey, here. I'll even give you the CRT. So my CRT, because you trade CRT now, right? So I'm gonna give you my CRT guidelines as well, right over here as well. I mean, you don't have to take every note here. You don't have to take every note here, but yeah. Here, I'm saying that as well, brother. These are every rule I have right over here are revolved around CRT, by the way. So just so you know, bro. And let me actually just give you the whole thing. Actually, if you guys want to actually like it, if you guys like it, take it. If you don't like it, don't take it, man. I'm gonna do it for fight. And this is a very important one as well, right over here. Everything else not that important. But here's a very other important rule that you gotta follow for a Model 1. Which if you guys want to follow my type of Model 1, you could do it if you want to. But you could do whatever Model 1 you like. Some Model 1s you might have a loss, some ones you will not, right? I am now penetrating CRT, concept blending CRT with my knowledge of ICT. Yes, bro. Hey, bro, my boy, Tahir Mustafa, CRT is meant to be blended with ICT concepts, by the way. So if you're doing CRT blindly without having ICT concept, without using ICT's ERL, IRL, without using ICT's time from alignment, without using ICT concepts like weekly profile, daily profile, whatever, you're not gonna do it right. You're gonna be basically pattern trading because eventually in the long term it's gonna catch up. It's gonna cook your ass. So yeah, be really careful with that. Oops, wrong one. Hey, using your ICT knowledge, bro, that's a very nice thing. Good shit, brother. Alhamdulillah, Mubarak. That's very nice, brother. Let me show you guys my rules right here. I'm sending you guys right now. It's gonna be hella rules, but if you guys could read this like almost like every day, if you guys can, it would be a very nice, good thing for you guys to do because this would help you be knowing to the knowledge. And my boy Tahir Mustafa, go read the rules right now and see how it is. If you like the rules about the CRT rules, and yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go drink some water and be right back. I'm gonna go drink some water. Be right back. Oh my leg. All right, I'm back, Chad. My bad for that little quick It was not even water break. It was a Mountain Dew break. You get it? You get the joke? Market reversing very hard here. Oh my god. Yeah, very mixed bias here. It's very difficult to trade today, man. Very difficult day. Cause my boy Tahir Mustafa, you can see in my what the fuck this shit's called? In my broker, it did not press out the CRT while yours did. So it's very confusing. So make sure you break even, my boy. I'm gonna Tahir Mustafa right when the 50% mark is hit, break even, because if you don't break even, you're gonna get wrecked. Saying. Yeah, chat. That's that. Today's a really interesting day, bro. Oh my goodness. It's both buys are playing against each other. Just kind of confusing for me to look for a long or a short. So I'm trading ICT for value gap strategy before. I'm not profitable when I come across after started following you. I realized my what's pout? Pout? Bro, you can activate you can active the subtitle. Bro, I don't want to do that, bro. I'm not a aim. I don't know how to run devices, so I'm not really good with this. I'm like an old school. All I know is all I know is to click 3 buttons and I'm live streaming. That's it. You're saying you're trading IGC for value gap strategy, but I'm not profitable when it comes. Yeah, bro, for value gap's not the only way to go, bro. CRT alone, if you use CRT alone, is not the way to go. You're not gonna be profitable. Using fair value gap alone, you're not gonna be profitable. Using anything alone, you're not gonna be profitable. What's gonna make you profitable is integrating all the concepts you learn and integrate into one trade, making narratives, making biases. Right? That's how you can become a live trader. Because the market will never repeat. Right? These concepts will be there, right? But the market won't repeat what it did before. We'll move on. I took up all your positions live, 0.2% loss as a runner. Yes, sir, Ski, man. Just be patient, man. Let the market do its thing. Just trust the process, bro. Because this right here, to me, hey, I'm going mixed bags bias. I don't have no bias here, so I'm not gonna go against you, bro. It's your trade. You know, if you lose or win the trade, figure it out why you lost, figure out why you won. Oh, I see what's cooking here. Chat, there's SMT here. There's SMT. Practice shit ugly right now. Hey, nah, bro. Look at this. It's SMT here, bro. There's SMT with 2 correlated pairs. And I'm following you. I realized my fault. Yeah, man. It's trading is not just about fair value gaps, bro. It's not fair value gaps. It's not EURL, IRL. EURL, IRL will not help you be profitable, bro. Nothing will help you be profitable. The only thing that could help you be profitable, and only thing ever, is yourself. Without you, you can't trade. Without you, you can't become profitable because you need you. You know what I'm saying? You have to decide if you want to become profitable or not, right? And that's why when you guys see me take trades, I always I'm a lot a psychologist person right now. Well, like, you're kind of correct, man. The price action is kind of ass right now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even care the price action anymore, bro. I'm just chilling here because my purge the purge did not happen at the right time. So yeah, so I'm chilling. Wait, let me just turn on my thing because it's cold as hell in here, bro. Yeah, Chad, keep in mind that the only thing that could turn profitable is you. You're the one. GBP gave a nicer buys with the sweep. Yeah, see, bro, clean. This is why I hate trading this. This is why I hate trading GBP. This is why I hate trading quality pairs, bro. Because sometimes when I'm entering GU, when I'm entering EU, GU will move better, right? When I'm entering EU, GU would move better. So like it's annoying, right? So it's kinda no, that's why I wait for a perfect time to look for a EU trade. I don't look for a bad time to enter the trade. I look for a perfect time to enter the EU where I have a lot of narrative. I have not a lot of liquidity. So yeah, true is annoying. Yeah, for real, bro. The only way you can prevent that is by having a really good, solid probability in that specific pair, and the other one would kind of fuck off, but the other one will move straight. But market looks like it's gonna go over here, but market can't just go. Market can't just go up. He has to go do his pullback. He has to go to the downside. He has to go to the short-term drawn liquidity before the long-term, right? You know what I mean, chat? Because as you guys know, ITT talks about the drawn liquidity, but he does not talk about the short-term. He only talks about the long-term, right? He does not talk about the short-term, the long-term, right? And eventually, as you guys know, there's a short-term and there's a long-term drawn liquidity, right? Let me explain what I mean, right? Let me further explain. Can I get any explanation here? Yeah, right over here. Our short-term drawn, our long-term drawn liquidity was right over here, right? Long-term in this specific time, right? This is our long-term drawn liquidity, right? But we still took a long here. We still took a long here, right? We still took a long to the upside because this is right over here. It's our short-term draw on liquidity. So this is why my boy actually does not talk about. So yeah, it's not a big concept, but it's still kind of useful in many scenarios, in many environments. Mountain Dew is not refreshing, bro. That shit's nasty. That shit is nasty. If EU pulls back down, GU pulls back down a little bit below inside the range, GU's gonna pop off, bro. But there's an SMT here, SMT with GU. SMT, yeah. EBD, yeah. Yo, you guys should be looking. If you guys go to Discord chat and look at my rules. I just in a picture I sent. Look at the rules and let me know how it is, chat. It's a really good news. It's a really good rules you guys should be using. You know what I'm saying? Very useful. You can see my rules. I talk about time as well. Look, you see, as I said, don't trade the day before high major news, which are FOMC, NFP, CPI, PPI. The day before major news are less probability days, right? I didn't say practice. I said days, right? So which matters as well. And yeah, chat, this is very it. If you guys got any other questions, let me know. I will answer that up. If you guys want any help, let me know. That shit was nasty. Oh boy, Benny, your chart colors are clean though, bro. Your colors are clean for your charts. It's fucking clean, boy. The same thing as mine, but why does yours have no wick in there though? You don't like wick, bro? You don't like wicks? All right, chat. I am finished for the day. Today I'm gonna upload a very important video for some of you guys that are very important. Time before price. What time? Time is key to successful trade, successful profitability actually. Because what does time do? Time saves your time, and time makes your setups a higher probability rather than lower probability. And it can be a really good video. Eventually I'm gonna do, yeah, that's gonna be today's video. So yeah, that's gonna be today's video, gonna be fire. Y'all are gonna see me cook today. All right, chat. See you guys later. Peace out. I'm gonna go and relax for a little bit. Eventually get back to work. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. How do I turn all this? What do you want, man?